Hey you bro, what did? No need.
How? I need buy one get one free.
Judy, you buy anyone say, you get everything free.
Everything free? How?
If you want to smoke, I will give you free fire. What? But not solar.
What? Are you getting it? Then give it immediately.
No. I'm not say free fire game. I say or Jungra. You know Burbo?
Oh, this is my bigger mistaker. Give me any kind.
Take. This one free. Under six, packet is free. Now you go.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, then bye. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, you Max. What's up?
What did you say, bro? I have not any Android phone. I don't use WhatsApp. What? Are you crazy, man? What are you said, man? Are you kidding me? I am not Kari. What? I am Max.
Oh my God! Are you Bengal?
What? I am not Bengal. I am Bodo.
Huh?
You kau? Salah acin hengbrei.
Oi, don't rag up with me. Go to your no. I'm not bullied by you.
Hey, I am not by you. Your nama Elaine, okay? Come. Salah lebih tinggal cuma berani mau sekali.
Abna, sir. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Sir, this is my reason. And sir, this is my documents.
Mr. Alex,
Yes,
tell
sir.
us about yourself.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Alex,
Yes, sir.
which language would you tell us about yourself? English or Hindi?
Language. English.
Okay then.
Myself.
Yes.
My name is Elaine Bosumutari.
Yes.
I'm come from Takuntapara.
Yeah. Yes.
My Apadi name. What? What do you mean? Sorry. Father name is Thailand Bosumutari, and my mother name is Silent Bosumutari. And I obtained marks in SSLCM, UCS 30%, both sides. Zene pass. Thank you.
Mr. Onsai,
Yeah.
do you get that? What does mean that the genetic first?
No, I don't know. What is anything?
Oh, Mr. Alex,
Yes.
tell me what about Zenini means?
Yeah.
Mr. Alex,
Yes.
please explain Genetine means.
Zene means are all the above subject 600 marks.
Oh, no.
Found 100% of the 30%.
That's called a genetic.
Yes, sir.
Enough. Okay. Now tell me, what is the full form of SS and SSLC? If you can, it means we will accept for this job.
Okay, sir. Means full from. Suat lagi company.
What did you mean with suat laki company?
Which means hut. Yes, money. Suat. And means laki. Si money company. It means hut suat laki company. And sang, UCS means high sona.
Mr. Alex, you are
Yes, sir.
selected.
Thank you, sir. Goedemiddag. Bella. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Alex,
Yes, sir.
you are selected for a housekeeper.
Mane, Hasib Subra. Saya kena sama kalam bra. What nonsense? My father have also 20,000 hectare biga. Would you like to do if then you can join? I can cultivate. Bye, sir. Goodbye. Give me some time, my mom.
कैसा आदमी है ये?
पता नहीं
कैसा कैसा लोग आते हैं इंटरव्यू देने के लिए?
क्या बोलूं
दिमाग
यार।
खराब कर दिया मेरा.